Wear out. To become damaged or no longer usable because of long use. My shoes are worn out. This cable is worn out already. Come off. To become separated or removed from something. The button came off my shirt. The handle came off the door. Tear off. To remove something by pulling it off. He tore off the tag from his shirt. I accidentally tore off the button. Cut off. To suddenly stop, connection, supply, etc. The call got cut off suddenly. The electricity was cut off during the storm. Crack. To break slightly without breaking into pieces. I cracked my phone screen. The mirror cracked after it fell. Snap. To break suddenly and completely, often with a sharp sound. The wire snapped in half. My charger cable snapped. Clog. To block something like a pipe or drain. The sink is clogged again. Hair clogged the drain. Back up. To stop flowing or moving, often causing a blockage. The sink backed up last night. Traffic backed up for miles. Break down. To stop working, especially a machine or vehicle. My car broke down on the way. The computer broke down suddenly. Act up. To not work properly or behave badly. My phone is acting up today. The internet is acting up again. Give out. To stop working or functioning completely. My headphones gave out suddenly. The engine gave out after years. Lock up. To freeze or stop responding, especially a device or system. My laptop locked up while I was working. The app locked up and stopped responding. Slow down. To become slower. My phone slowed down after the update. My internet slowed down suddenly. Malfunction. To stop working properly. My laptop started malfunctioning today. My phone is malfunctioning again. Glitch. A small, temporary problem or error in a system or device. There's a glitch in the app. The screen froze because of a glitch. Lag. To respond or move slowly, especially in a device or system. The game is lagging badly. My phone lags when I open this app. Pass out. To suddenly lose consciousness, to faint. She passed out from the heat. I almost passed out in the crowd. Feel nauseous. To feel like you are going to vomit. I feel nauseous when I travel by bus. He felt nauseous after eating too much. Catch something. To get an illness, especially a common one like a cold or flu. I think I caught something. He caught a cold after the rain. Twist your ankle. To injure a joint by turning it suddenly. I twisted my ankle while running. He twisted his knee badly. Pull a muscle. To injure or strain a muscle. I pulled a muscle at the gym. She pulled a muscle in her back. Get worse. To become more serious or bad. My headache got worse. The situation got worse quickly. Go wrong. To not happen as planned or expected. Something went wrong with the plan. Everything went wrong today. Run into trouble. To suddenly face unexpected problems or difficulties. We ran into trouble on the trip. I ran into trouble at work today. Get out of hand. To become out of control. The situation got out of hand. Things got out of hand quickly. Mess up. To do something badly, incorrectly, or make a mistake. I messed up the presentation. I messed up my exam. Mix up. To confuse one thing with another. I mixed up the files. She mixed up the names. Leave behind. To forget to take something with you when you leave a place. I left my bag behind. He left his phone behind.